Let's talk about 3 costly mistakes that will destroy your personal injury case. I'm Steve Kramer. I'm a Florida personal injury attorney, and we're going to talk about 3 ways to gut your case. The first way that you can destroy your case is exaggerating your injuries, whether it's in talking with your doctors during treatment or in front of the jury. You're going to destroy your credibility. Juries are sophisticated and capable of seeing through a facade, and you don't want to destroy that credibility. The same thing holds true with hiding prior medical history. Just because you had an incident in the past that you think could affect your case, it doesn't mean it will affect your case. The question is, what were you like before the accident and what are you like now after the accident? And all that stuff is usually going to come up and it's going to come into play because insurance companies conduct deep investigations. They will pull old medical records. They will ask you questions in deposition. This evidence will come into play. And if you, again, are determined as being uncredible, it could destroy your case. And any chance you might have had for settlement, guess what? That's out the window. And that might be fine if you go to trial, but that could even come back to haunt you at trial and make you appear dishonest in a trial. The third way to gut your case is to hide prior accidents. I had a client with a prior accident in 2007 in a 2012 case. And frankly, that prior accident was the best thing that could have happened to his case because that prior accident, he took imaging and it showed he didn't have injuries. And because he disclosed that accident to us, we found those films and we could show that after that previous accident, there was no injury. And after the current accident, his spine was severely injured and he had brain trauma. And it resulted in a very, very favorable financial settlement for our client because he disclosed his prior accidents. And again, credibility is king here. If you don't disclose the accident, it could also destroy your credibility. I'm telling you this because I've seen people make these mistakes before and destroy their cases because maybe they thought that was the right move or maybe because they had bad guidance from another attorney. But I'm here to tell you how to do it the right way. And if you want any help with doing it the right way, give me a call. This is what we do. I'd be glad to talk to you anytime. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Kramer.